Yeah, sure. Just to introduce myself, John Baxter from Modularity by Rendine. We're here at our manufacturing plant in Moorlap near Geelong, and I'm proud to be able to talk a little bit about our Sustainability Victoria prototype project. Well, Rendine's got a history of about 50 years, starting out in the residential and public sector, a lot of work in education, and within the last 7 or 8 years has ventured into modular construction. That's become a very significant part of the business, and that's what's led us to look at ways that sustainability can be supported within that sector. About 80 months ago, we became aware of a Sustainability Victoria grant that was available for research and development of circular economy-based construction methods. As a provider of modular classrooms and up buildings for the education sector, we often find that there are redundant aged modules that are mostly ending up in recycling. The opportunity for circular economy was to actually reuse those structures in their most unchanged form, which obviously has huge advantages in saving of carbon emissions. Yeah, so taking a redundant structural steel frame, we've redeveloped the functionality of it to provide quite a few flexible uses. One could be emergency accommodation. It could be somebody's extended family needing somewhere to stay on a short term and so forth. It's a very adaptable type of product. Yeah, so the team behind the project had great support from the directors and management of Rendine. We also partnered with Melbourne University, the engineering section there, who led a lot of the analysis and testing. Then PrefabAUS were a great supporter and were able to draw on a wide section of supply line, other industry professionals. Here we are beside the exterior, and WeatherTech, as you can see, is featured heavily. Its credentials for circularity and sustainability were very well proven, and further research by Melbourne University certainly validated that. We also opted to use double-glazed UPVC windows. Their thermal properties were going to mean that there was less energy consumed to heat and cool the building.
Hi, Dirk from WeatherTech Australia. We're just here at Modularity by Rendine to talk about this prefab build that they've done with the Sustainability Council of Victoria. You can see that they've selected the WeatherTech's 150 natural profile for this build. Now, the reason they selected this product is it was the first manufactured product to achieve a platinum rating with green tag. It is also a lot of the offcuts can be reutilised and not wasted into landfill, so you can use them as mulch in your garden, or you can use them as packers behind the board. So a lot of the product can not go into waste and landfill. WeatherTech's product is one of the most sustainable cladding options on the market. We're also better than zero carbon footprint. In our manufacturing process, we're only made up of 2 ingredients, which is Australian PEFC certified hardwood and a natural paraffin wax. So the WeatherTech's product is a very durable and sustainable product. For modular construction, it is a fantastic option because of its ease of install. It doesn't use any glues to actually put the product on, which means you can take it off and put it back on if you wanted to add another module. It's also super lightweight at 10 kilos a square metre, and we do give a 10-year guarantee on this product. That's whether you leave it to grey off naturally or you put a stain on it to achieve any of multitude different finishes.
Now that we've built the prototype, we are looking forward to sharing it with the industry and with possible users, and early in February or thereabouts we plan to do a sort of more official launch.